Hey guys, Kurt from Vhedia here. In this video, I will show you how to install firmware update on your Vhedia M series head unit. So first, we need to get the current build number that you have in the head unit. So simply go on settings, tap car infotainment, scroll down and go to about device. And this part right here, it will show you the current build number that you have in the head unit, which will indicate if you need an update or not by checking our website and see if it matches the current build number stated there. Okay, what you need to do next is to get a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage, then plug it in on your Mac or laptop and make sure you format it as FAT32, because if it has any files on it and you copy the update files, the head unit will not be able to read the flash drive, and or if it's formatted as a different USB type, then the head unit will not recognize the flash drive. So if you have a Mac, simply go to disk utility, click your USB flash drive name, then click on erase. I'll just put Vhedia here for the name, and then format should be MSDOS FAT32, then click erase. Now, if you have a Windows computer, you can just plug in, just the same process, plug in your USB flash drive on your Windows laptop and then open the file folder, just like the same one for Finder in Mac. Then look on the left side part right here, you will see your USB flash drive name. Right click it and then choose format, select FAT32. And then proceed to format the flash drive. Now it's done, and what we need to do next is to head over to our website. Under Downloads tab, click M Series Downloads. Now check the current build number. If the current build number on the website matches the one on your M series head unit, then no need to update. But if it matches one of the older builds that we have, then click download. Then it will download a zip file right here, which we will need to extract later on. Let's just wait for this to finish, and then I'll show you the next steps. Once it's done downloading, you need to unzip the file. It may take a couple of seconds or minutes since the files are huge. Cool. Now after that, open the extracted folder. Then just copy these two files, 8667.bin and 8667.upd to your formatted flash drive. And once that's done, just simply unplug your flash drive and let's head over to the head unit. Alright, now next would be plug in your USB flash drive with the update files on your head unit's USB port. Then wait for a pop-up to show up. So just tap update. The head unit will reboot, and then it will go to the update process. It might take a while though, so just wait for it. Alright, now it's done loading the update on the head unit, and it's just restarting at the moment. Now it may take some time for the head unit to load up after installing the update. That's normal, but just need to wait it out. And there you go. Alright, cool. Now let's just check the build number to make sure the update has been installed. So same procedure, go to settings, car infotainment, about device, and as you can see here, it now shows the updated firmware. Cheers.